Welcome everybody. My name is Nobuko Miyamoto. I'm Artistic Director of Great Leap, and I'm going to lead you in a circle dance from the FandangObon Festival, a festival we do in Los Angeles where we share participatory arts traditions. And we're going to learn today a dance called Bambutsu no Tsunagari, which means 10,000 things all connected. Now, Fandango comes from Veracruz, Mexico, and Obon, of course, is from the Japanese tradition, which we dance in a circle to remember our ancestors. So I'm going to teach you this simple dance, only 4 steps, very easy, and you need a fan to do this dance. And if we have your address, we will send you a fan so that you can do it with us with the fan. Okay? So the dance is in 4 different sections. The first section, and let me say that we all need a fan to do this dance. And when you hold the fan in your hand, you have the white part up, like your palm, and the red part down. So when we come into the middle of the circle, the white part is up, and then you flip, okay? And so this is the sort of binding image for all of you dancers, okay? So the first step is wakamaya. Wakamaya is a bird that comes from Veracruz. It's like a parrot that's disappearing because of the environmental crisis that we're in, okay? So it's step to the right, step to the left, step to the right, step to the left. Right, touch, left, touch, right, touch, left, touch. Very simple, that's it. Four figures, 8 counts, all right? That's the first section. All right, the second section, we're gonna come to the middle of the circle, starting with your right foot, okay? Step right, left, right, flip, back, 2. Always with your right foot, right, left, right, flip, right, left, right. That's the second section. Third section, half moon with your arms. Starting with your right foot, you're going counterclockwise. And right, step, step, touch, left, right, left, touch, right, left, right, touch, left, right, left, touch. Okay? Simple. Fourth section, you face the the middle of the circle, and you're going to, with your right foot, lunge, clap, outward facing, 2 claps. Step right, 2, 3, 4, turn, 1, again, you're going to do it twice, lunge right. So think of this like you're centering yourself in the earth. So when you step, feel downward, okay? And 1, 2, and 3, 2 claps. Step back, right foot, 1, 2, full circle, connected. Again, right and left, 2 claps. Back, 2, 3, 4, circle, 2, 3, 4. Again, so start from the top, 2, 3, 4. This is section 1, 6, 7, to the center, right, left, right, flip, back, 2. Always starting with your right foot, right, 2, 3, flip, back, 2, 3. And right foot, half moon, 2, 3. You're going counterclockwise, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, touch. Then lunge right and 1 clap. Lunge left, 2 claps. Step right, back, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, and right. And you're always moving. And back, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, half moon, and 2. I'm sorry, that was wrong. Okay, it's okay. So the wakamaya 4 times, then to the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, we often make mistakes doing these dances. It doesn't matter. And half moon, right, 2, 3. Or the important thing is that you keep on dancing. And 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 4. Lunge, 1 clap, lunge outward, 2 claps, back, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, lunge inward, lunge outward, 2 claps, and back, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, 4. We're back at 1, okay? Wakamaya first, 8 counts, then 4 up and 4 back. 4 up, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, and half moon, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Lunge inward and outward, 2 claps. Step back, 1, 2, full moon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lunge 1 and 2, 2 claps, and back, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. 4 sections, wakamaya, center, half moon, and the lunge. So don't worry about it. As you do it, stumble along. And the main thing is that we're doing it together, even though we're separate. Okay, let's try.
Dance. What do you do? For this, you plan, you lose. For this, you plan, you lose. Don't plan, just dance.
Right.
Practice, forget. For this,
Right.
you plan, you
Right.
Oh.
Front.
In the circle we dance, no beginning, no ending. In the
Half moon.
circle we dance, I am you, you are the other me.
Lunge.
Bambutsu no Tsunagari, Bambutsu.
is the fun part. You are going to put yourself before your camera and you're going to shoot yourself doing the dance. If somebody can help you, that's fine. If you have more than two people or more, that's great in your family to do this. And you can wear, you know, grab a happy goat, or if you have a yukata, you could wear the yukata, or anything that sort of represents your culture if you want, or even a t-shirt, whatever you want. It's wear whatever you want. And if you want to, you can also wear this. Anyway, so learn the dance, then film, and you're gonna send it to Nicholas, okay? All right. This is the fun part. You can figure out how you want to shoot yourself. Close up, far away, whatever. Sitting in a chair, if you can't move, that's fine. In your bed, have fun with it, okay? And then he's gonna put it all together.